Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today, going to talk about one of the very interesting subject. One is a very interesting topic on astrology, and which will help you to make your life better. And the topic name is Rule of Mercury. As a lot of birth chart and Mercury play a big role in astrology because what I research in astrology from last 15 to 20 years, Mercury is like a Wi-Fi in astrology. Mercury play a biggest role because Mercury pass one planet power to second power, one planet power to second planet. Like if Mercury is in conjunction with between 3 planets, 4 planets, 5 planets, then the Mercury balance the energies of every planets. Mercury play a biggest role, and Mercury is one of the very knowledgeable learning planet. If you have a good Mercury, strong Mercury in your birth chart, you're a very good learner, you're a very knowledgeable person, you learn a lot of good things, you are educated, and you will rise a lot, and you become a teacher, or you become a very successful businessman. You may start your intraday business or stock market business, because if you have a strong Mercury in your birth chart, or Mercury is in your ruling planet, a native will earn a lot of money from multiple sources, because Mercury represent trading. Mercury represent all type of trading. That may be from stock market, that may be from you're a shopkeeper and you are selling something. So Mercury represent all around business, finance, you can say. So if you have a good Mercury, then you are blessed man. But those native who don't have Mercury good in birth chart, and during 16 year of Mercury Mahadasha, they are suffering a lot. I saw a lot of birth chart. There's a lot of people, they are suffering a lot because Mercury is not well placed. My today's video is not linked with exalted Mercury or debilitation Mercury. My today video is some special for some Mercury rules. Which type of, if you have a Mercury Mahadasha 16 years, Mercury may well placed or not, that is not my concern. My concern is that I'm going to explain you some rules of Mercury. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha, you apply this rule in your practical life, you will see a big change in your life. So rule number 1, if you have a younger sister, give some respect to your sister. Try to give one gift after a month or 2 months if you have a younger sister. Rule number 2, for Mercury, if you have a Mercury Mahadasha, give some respect to your Bhuaji, give some respect to your sister-in-law. And rule number 3, if you have a Mercury Mahadasha, must learn something. Without any, if you are well settled in your business, I agree everything you have, and but in Mercury Mahadasha is active, Mercury is running in your birth chart, you must learn something every day. You need to spend some time on learning. This is Mercury requirement. Make a good relationship with you, your wife, and your sister. If you have a good Mercury or bad Mercury, that is not concern. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha, that is 16 years Mahadasha, is running in your birth chart, you must give some respect to your younger sister, and you must give some respect to your Bhuaji or your sister-in-law. That will be a biggest game changer for you if you start giving respecting in your relationship. Every planet is linked with our relationship. So in Mahadasha, during that period of Mahadasha, we mostly forget to give respect of that relation. Like if you have under Jupiter Mahadasha, you need to give respect to your father or grandfather. If you are under Saturn Mahadasha, you make your boundaries and don't cross your boundaries. Always do your best with the others and do yours, follow on lines and do your best. So if you are under Mercury Mahadasha or Mercury Antardasha, or Mercury is in your ruling planet, or maybe Mercury is not your ruling planet, but you need to follow these small things. These small act, if you perform in a right way, you will definitely see lot of big change in your life. If you have a Mercury Mahadasha is active in your birth chart. And those native who have a Mercury Mahadasha, they must invest our money in multiple business. They will earn a lot of money. Because Mercury represent all around trading. Mercury represent all around success from business, from old investments. So if you have a Aquarius ascendant, if you have a Capricorn ascendant, Virgo ascendant, Taurus ascendant, and you can say Libra ascendant, then you must analyze your birth chart where Mercury placed. because Mercury is one of the ruling planet for these ascendants, and those native who have a Mercury Mahadasha running, especially for Taurus ascendants, Libra ascendants, Virgo ascendants, Capricorn ascendants, Aquarius ascendants, they must need to follow these rules, because Mercury is a planet of your it's all around expansion and growth in your business. So if you are under influence of Mercury Mahadasha, you must start your business, you must invest your money in multiple business, you will grow and you will rise a lot. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.